Hi, welcome to Elephant Island, specifically to Point Wild. I'm on penguins, seals, and a beautiful glacier. My name is Adrian, one of the crew members on the Greenpeace ship. And today is a very special day for me, as this is the first time I visit Antarctica. But this place is also very important in polar history. You might hear or know about Shackleton. He tried to cross Antarctica, and after his ship got broken and sank, his crew found themselves stranded right here for 4 months, enduring the hardship of the winter. And to commemorate the rescue, we found this statue right here.
Elephant Island is part of the South Shetland Islands, in the northernmost part of Antarctica. At over 500 square kilometers, this ice-covered mountainous area is roughly 10 times the size of Manhattan. The human population of Elephant Island is 0. There are several scientific research shelters on the islands which are used seasonally, erected by Argentina, Chile, Brazil, and the UK. However, there is no permanent human settlements in Elephant Island, making it one of the most desolate places on Earth. It is home to a variety of wildlife, including different types of seals, birds, and penguins. We are here specifically to study the colonies of chinstrap penguins that live on the rocky coastlines of the island. A complete study and count of chinstrap penguins hasn't happened here since 1971, which is why our work during this expedition is so important.
And now that you know more about Elephant Island, where do you want to go next?